Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a Shopify store and create a new one. Now, first thing you need to do guys is to create a new Shopify store so that you can delete your old Shopify store. This is going to be an easy tutorial. Like I said, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Just log in into your normal Shopify store that you already have, okay? So that we can create a new one and delete the old one, okay? I hope it makes sense. Alright, now first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on your Shopify store in the top right, your Shopify store name in the top right, and then click on all stores. And after guys you click on all stores, then you want to click here, it says create a store. Okay, so after guys you click on create a store, just need to use the exact same account. Okay, so after that it will, as you can see now, we are creating a new Shopify store. Now we're going to select here an online store, click on next. I'm just starting, next, get started, and then click on I'll decide later, skip I will decide later. Okay, just give it a few seconds. As you can see now, we have created a new Shopify store. I'm going to name it, and I'm going to name this store. click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on general, and then you want to click on my store. Okay, next to my store you will see this pin icon here, click on it, and my store, you can then change your store name, for example, to a new store. Okay, you can just name your store here. Okay, after you name your store, then I'm going to show you guys how you can delete the old one. Now this is the new store, I named it a new store. The old one, it's called my store. Okay, click on it, click on your old store. Okay, to delete it, click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on plan, and then you want to click on cancel trial. That's if you are using the free trial of Shopify. Now if you are paying for Shopify plan, like you have chose the basic plan or whatever, you just need to scroll down. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. I'm going to choose this store where I am paying for Shopify, so I'm going to click again on settings, again plan. Here you want to scroll down at the very bottom, you can see here this button that says deactivate store, and here you want to click again on deactivate store at the very bottom, and then click I understand that I will be charged, and then click continue. Okay, so after guys you click on continue, that's exactly how you can delete this store, and then you will be left only with your new store, which is the new store. Now I named it new store. Now as you can see, you can create as many new accounts as you want, doing the exact same step. Just click on all stores and then create a new one. And if you want to see all your stores, just click in the top right for your Shopify. So click on your Shopify store name in the top right, and then you will see the list of your Shopify stores here. And then you can click on which one you want, any store you want, you can click on it, and it will take you directly guys to that Shopify store. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.